Hello, my gorgeous friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can literally make or break your makeup look: setting your concealer with powder. I know, it sounds simple, but the technique you use can completely transform your face shape and elevate your makeup from good to absolutely flawless. If you've ever wondered why your concealer creases, looks cakey, or just doesn't last, then you need to stick around because I'm about to spill all the secrets. First things first, why even bother setting your concealer? Well, concealers are creamy, and that creaminess is what helps them blend beautifully into the skin. But it also means they can move around, settle into fine lines, and basically disappear throughout the day. Powder is like the magic finishing touch that locks everything in place. It absorbs excess oil, smooths the texture, and gives you that airbrushed finish we all crave. It's the difference between makeup that looks like it, sitting asterisk on asterisk, your skin, versus makeup that looks like it, asterisk is asterisk your skin. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty: how to set your concealer to flatter your specific face type. This is where the real artistry comes in. It's not just about patting on some powder and calling it a day. We're going to use powder strategically to sculpt and enhance your natural features. Let's start with a round or heart-shaped face. For you, the goal is often to create more definition and lift. After you've applied your concealer under your eyes in an inverted triangle shape to brighten, you'll want to be very precise with your powder. Take a small, fluffy brush or a damp makeup sponge, dip it into a finely milled translucent powder, and gently press it only asterisk, where you placed the concealer. Focus the brightness in the center of your face by keeping the powder concentrated under the eyes and down the center-think forehead. Bridge of the nose and chin, draw light inward and upward, which creates the illusion of a more oval, lifted face shape. Avoid taking the powder too far out to the sides of your face, as this can add unwanted width. Now, for my friends with square or rectangular face shapes, your goal is often to soften the angles and add a bit of roundness. Here, you can be a little more generous with your setting technique. After applying your concealer, you can use the baking method. Load up a damp sponge with loose powder and press a thicker layer under your eyes, but this time you can extend it outward slightly, curving up towards your temples. Let that powder sit or bake for a few minutes. This intense brightening effect will soften the angles under your eyes and create a more rounded, lifted appearance. You can also apply a light dusting of powder along the jawline just below your contour to soften that area as well. After a few minutes, just gently sweep away the excess powder with a clean, fluffy brush. What if you have an oval face shape? Well, you've hit the genetic jackpot, my friend. The oval face is considered the most balanced, so you don't need to do much structural correction. Your focus is simply on perfecting and setting. A light-handed approach is best for you. After blending your concealer, take a fluffy brush, tap off any excess powder, and lightly sweep it over the concealed areas. You don't need to bake or be overly strategic. Your goal is just to set the product, prevent creasing, and maintain that beautiful, natural balance you already have. A gentle press and roll motion with a powder puff also works wonders for a seamless, skin-like finish. Let's talk about a quick pro tip for everyone, regardless of face shape, especially if you have dry or mature skin. The fear of powder making you look dry and cakey is real. The key is to use a very finely milled powder and apply it while your concealer is still slightly damp. Don't wait for it to dry down and start creasing. Also, less is more. Start with a tiny amount of powder. You can always add more if you need it. And my secret weapon, a hydrating finishing spray. After you've powdered, a quick spritz will melt all the powders into your skin, taking away any powdery look and leaving you with a radiant, flawless finish that lasts all day. So there you have it. It's not just about slapping on some powder. It's about using it with intention. By understanding your face shape and what you want to achieve, you can use this simple step to sculpt, brighten, and perfect your look. It's a total game changer, I promise. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you found these tips helpful. Let me know in the comments which technique you're excited to try, or if you have any of your own secret powder tricks. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!